Hello, my name is Judy West and I'd like to thank you for joining me today. In my last video I decorated this terracotta pot with rice paper and I covered the whole pot with it. Today we're going to paint part of the pot in this nice teal, and then this nice panel through the middle we're going to decorate with rice paper, just to give it an interesting feature that matches the paper below. As you can see, these certain colours in the rice paper match this really nicely. So stay with me today and you'll see how we achieve this. I've already started painting this large pot just to make the video a little bit shorter, and I'll explain what I did so far. I just took a chalk pencil, you could take a piece of chalk or something like that, and I just drew a wavy line up here and then all the way round, and then I made the waves at the bottom come up and meet and then separate from that, like that, so that we've got this in-out business happening all the way around the pot. Now then I came back with some really pretty artist colour aqua, and that is a Jo Sonia artist colour, and I've painted the bottom, and now I'm going to paint the middle in white. So I'll just do that and then I'll be back. Now that paint has dried and I'm going to use this rice paper here because the colours in it match the colours in that bottom of the pot. So there's pinks and teals and golds and blues in there. I'm going to rip this up and cover just this white section in here with a pattern of rice paper, just so that it's got an interesting little strip. Now you need this very small, and I need the straight edges to go along the edge, top and bottom. I need a lot of them. So this is what we're going to start with. I'm just using a little round brush, and I can actually lay that down there. Some of these are going to have to be shorter. Can't have them too long on that edge. Now don't worry about me getting a little bit of paint on the edge there. A little bit of glue on the edge there, because it's going to all be sealed later on anyway. Now I'm going to have to paint this really small, tear this really small to get this in here. So I'm going to have to get some skinny strips. Now there it is so far. I'm going to let that dry now, and then I'll come back and we'll finish it off completely. There it is so far. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add sealer to the top part of this pot. Finish this off, and then let all that dry before I seal the bottom part of the pot. And as you can see, it gives it a darker finish and it gives her a shiny finish, which is quite nice. Now also I'm going to seal inside the pot as well. Okay, so that's what we've got done so far, but I'll definitely come back at the end and show you it completely sealed and finished. Here's the pot finished, and I have sealed the top, and I have sealed the inside as well. And as you can see by that pretty pattern around the border, the rice paper looks completely natural, and it matches so well to the colour I've chosen for the bottom as well. So that's an interesting little design on its own, adds a nice feature to the side of the pot. You could add coloured line top and bottom if you wanted to put a little bit more in. I could have painted the bottom colour at the top above the rice paper as well, and left just the rim plain. There's so many different ways you could go with this, but there's a little basic starter for you, and you could put any shape on the pot and fill it in with rice paper. So I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments below with what you would do with this particular skill and using rice paper on a pot. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video today, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified of my new videos.